heritage, songs and stories and proverbs, and all kinds of nice things. And our language, of course, the basic thing is the language, which we have been talking for 300 years. Yes, my dear. And my aunt, you said she don't like nobody if say no language at all. She vex, you know, about the whole rhythm of the language, my child. You see, it's because all this folklore and this culture that we have come from all the different people who have lived in the country, you know, and we just use it, and now we have a real West Indian, a real Jamaican culture. For my aunt wrote to say, when the Asian culture and the European culture buck up an African culture in the Caribbean people, we stir them up and blend them to a flavor. We shake them up and move them to a beat. We wheel them and we turn them and we rock them and we sound them and we temper them and locks the rhythm sweet. Yes, my dear. So then we don't need to shame at the things we have at all. Like my aunt would say, she vexed any time she hearing the people come style for with Jamaica language as corruption of the English language. You ever hear anything, Gus? Aunt Georgia said she don't know what make them not call the English language corruption of the Norman, French and the Greek and the Latin, where them say English is derived from. Oh no, hear the word? English derive, but Jamaica corrupt. No, master, that's not go so.
Come, Miss Clare, take the back of your head, my dear. Come this way, Miss Flo. Evening breeze a blow. Help down ya after you no be so burdened by. Rest yourself at ease. Feel the evening breeze. Evening time, work is over now, it's evening time. With the walk on mountain, the walk on mountain, the walk on mountainside. Make we cook the pickle pan the way. Make we eat and sing, dance and play ring ding on the mountainside. Catch up the fire matter, pass me the gungo peas. Rub up the flour, Sierra. Lord, feel the evening breeze. Evening time, work is over now, it's evening time. With the walk on mountain, the walk on mountain, the walk on mountainside. Make we cook the big family way. Make we eat and sing, dance and play ring ding on the mountainside.
If I cross it, I cross, make a cross, make me pass, and I cross in his crosses, you know. Could he line, you know, say carry and truck back coming. Here the Haganir man did a blow. Lady walk fast and pass, pick the pass, make a cross, old man galang and mind your business. Lady make up your mind, walk between the white line, what a cross is them crossing your eyes. All right, galang no ma, will you turn up for sir? Oh, them know one another, see. Them a meet, them a greet, them a kiss, what is this? Them a move off together. Now my chance come at last as them cross, I go and pass, I go and beat the old lady to this. By the hook or the crook lad one police, I look, pass on lady, you're right of you, miss. From the east, from the west, like a plague, like a pest, them a come one by one, two by two. The crossing has stopped me from cross, make them pass, but not if it stop them from pass, make me cross. Them a crossing is for true.
When me remember Come back, Liza, come back, gal. What a come a me. Come back, Liza, come back, gal. What a come a me. When me remember me darling Liza, what a come a me. How I miss me dear friend Liza. What a come a me. Come back, Liza, come back, gal. Try to cry from me. Come back, Liza, come back, gal. What a come a me. Every time remember Liza, what a come a me.
How are you going to do? You and your bugo yaka friend them think afraid of you? Go away. You fear by hang pan near. It's me you want for trace. Me's just the one to take me hand and leg up on your face. Pay me hand no giant church. And me now pay your lies for me mouth. Me will tell you. See a girl no bother get me out. Me don't know what kind of church for your mouth could I join. Your lip them hang down like a wind. Mule can't make up in mine. Go on, me and you no come below. Your foot shapeless and long, like somebody tan far fling them on and make they hang on wrong. For your foot fever, capital K. Cup on your 2 nose hole. Them big and hopping out like Miss Jane outside fish bowl. Go away. You can't boil soft egg. And yet you want to get ring. No man now go marry you when you can't do a thing. It's grudge, you're grudgeful. Me can't cook, but me go a good school. Me got intelligence, you illiterated fool. Me sorry for the man you get. The poor thing nah go yam. When you akibus him selfish and boil a voos him yam.
There is something I don't know that I'm supposed to know. I don't know what it is I don't know, and yet I'm supposed to know. And I feel I look stupid if I seem both not to know it and not to know what it is I don't know. Therefore, I pretend I know it. This is nerve-wracking, since I don't know what it is I must pretend to know. Therefore, I pretend I know everything.
Fighting against the pressure, ooh yeah. Battering down the pressure, oh yeah. Oh, ooh yeah. Oh. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, few are chosen. Many are called, few are chosen. Ooh, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Oh. Gotta fight the right fight if we stand. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Maybe you're called, you are chosen. Maybe you're called, you are chosen. If you wanna live forever, you gotta love each other.